This video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware type threat that is called Koobn. Koobn is the ransomware type infection that attacks the majority of Windows files today. Before the ransomware actually attacks the computer, customers are able to open their files without any complications, including pictures, videos, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Koobn ransomware may be injected into the system. Pretty soon, people may realize that something really bad has occurred with their data, and they soon realize that the files have been damaged and modified and encrypted. A special extension called Koobn has been added to the files, and obviously customers are no longer able to use their files. The ransomware not only adds the extension, but indeed it encrypts the files and does not let people use them anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom definitely does not guarantee that the files would be restored. Here is this scary message that mentions that the files have been encrypted and this Koobn extension has been added to them. But once again, do not pay the ransom, because in this case you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware from your computer, and we suggest that you use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. Please get the latest version of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware through this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scanning. The premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool, allowing you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you may add certain folders on your device, and with premium license of Combo Cleaner, the data in these folders will always be protected. At the end of the scanning, Combo Cleaner gives you the summary of threats. It indicates what sorts of threats these are. It also shows you their exact location on the system. You may remove some of these threats manually based on this data. However, we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license in order to neutralize these threats automatically. And this way, with premium license, your data will always be protected in the future. Thanks for watching.